Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're heading south of the border again, and we're gonna do a fajita rice bowl, beef fajita rice bowl. Now I'm gonna meal prep, so it's gonna be a double recipe, but it's simple, easy. The best thing about it, it's a one pan meal. So let's get to cooking. All right, y'all. Uh, I know I said these are gonna be beef, but I'm actually using venison because that's what I have in the freezer. I do have some beef, but we're gonna. I'm using venison because I want to use it up because it's almost deer season, and I'm sure I'll be getting some more from the friends of mine. So uh, got that in the pan, got some heat on it, and then once this is about halfway done, we're gonna add us in some the frozen green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and yellow onion from Walmart. Like I said, the frozen stuff. But yeah, so let me get this seasoned up or fried up, browned up, and then we'll bring you guys right back. All right, y'all. This stuff's pretty much so browned up. So I got distracted. You know, that's the squirrel thing in me. Oh look, a squirrel. So, but no big deal. We're just gonna break her up. Get it some nice small pieces here. And we're going to add our peppers. You can add as much or as little of the peppers and stuff as you want. There's no really set amount that I use. This is just a kind of a recipe that I come up with. If I didn't say earlier, this is 2 pounds of meat. So now I'm going to add some water to this to get some steam going. And we're going to add 2 packets of fajita seasoning. Again, this is a double batch, so if you're going to do it for yourself, you can do a single or a double. My suggestion is do a double because it's so good. So, all right, get that kind of stirred up in there. Oh, y'all, it's smelling so good right now. You wouldn't believe it. So, all right. Let that cook for a little bit. Let that get, let those peppers and stuff get a little soft. And then we'll go on to the next. All right, y'all. That's been cooking for a little bit. Those vegetables are nice and soft. So, oh yeah, I like that. That smell, ooh, baby. Now you could eat it just like this, but we're gonna kick it up a little bit more, and we're gonna add some frozen sweet corn, super sweet corn. Get that mixed in there. Like I said, this is all by eye. The ratio. Just look to see what amount looks good. I mean, that gives it nice color there. So I imagine that's going to be enough. So there's that. And then I got 1 can of black beans rinsed. So we're going to add those in. that all tossed and mixed in there. Oh yeah. Okay. Shake that down. Clean off our spatula. I'll throw the lid back on it. I'm going to throw just a little bit more water in there just to get a little bit more steam. And then once that corn is cooked and warmed up and the beans are warmed up, there's one more thing we're going to add, but you'll have to wait for that. So y'all hang out and we'll be right back. All right, y'all. Now for the last, what I think is the most important part of this deal. You guys getting fogged up? Yes. But anyways, last and most important thing is our rice. And I'm using cilantro lime flavored rice from Uncle Ben's. These are the microwave ones. So it's already cooked. Yummy. And I like the cilantro lime just because it adds one more layer of flavor. So get that kind of broke up a little bit there. And mix it in. Now you can put this mixture over your rice. I like to mix it in because, like I said, I'm meal prepping, and it's just easier. But you know, all the flavors are all the same. So, all right, I'm gonna cut the heat here. And if you don't like the cilantro, if you're one of the people out there that have that genetic gene that makes it taste like soap, by all means, don't use the cilantro lime. Use white rice, brown rice, green rice, orange rice, purple rice, whatever rice you want to use. So, but all right, I'm gonna let this sit just a little bit and get that. Even though I did microwave that rice, I just wanted all the temperatures to come together. So, all right, we're done here. Next, we'll plate it up and do our taste test. All right, y'all. We got this, everything's come up to temperature. So we're going to scoop a little bit out. Now, if you want, you can get some flour tortillas. Roll this right up in a flour tortilla. It's excellent. Add some cheese. You know, I didn't grab any cheese when I was at the store, but it's good without it. So get a little bit of that stuff on there, and then we're gonna put a little dollop of sour cream on the side, so we can you know, kind of dip it and mix it and everything. So, you know, there's our little dollop of sour cream. And myself, when I'm eating it, I like a little chili sauce on mine. So, but I'll add that while I'm eating it. So, all right. Let's do our taste test. All right, y'all. Here it is. I got my chili sauce on there too. So let's dig in and take a little bite. Oh, that is so good, y'all. So good. I'm gonna have another bite. So there you have it. Super easy beef, or in my case, venison, fajita rice bowl. One pan meal. Make it for the whole family. I guarantee once you do it, it won't be just a now and again thing. Your family's gonna want to have it all the time. You know, and like I said, you can wrap it up in some or flour tortillas, add some cheese. You know, if you don't like the black beans, don't put the black beans in it. I've actually done it where I've used beef, chorizo sausage, and shrimp all in the same one. Made up a really nice fajita like a mixed fajita bowl with that cilantro lime rice. It's awesome, y'all. So appreciate y'all, and hope you're going to try this one. Please like, comment, subscribe, share it out to your friends, and remember the Amazon store. Go down there and click a link, see all the stuff that I'm promoting on Amazon, and also membership. If you want to help support the channel, consider becoming a member. 99 cents a month goes towards, the cooking videos, the polling videos, everything we do at the shop. It's simple, easy. Like I said, 99 cents a month, and you'll get early access to all the videos. So appreciate y'all, love y'all, and bon appetit.